So I'm going to let X be total sales because that's what I'm trying to find. And she earns $240 plus 5% of the amount of her total sales that exceeds $800. So I need to find the difference, X minus 800, and that's what she gets 5% on. And one week she makes what? $450. So usually I clear my decimals first, but I don't want by multiplying everything by 100, but I don't think I want to do that. Or do I? No, I don't want to. This is 240 plus 0.05x minus, well, 10% of 800 would be 80, but we only have half of that, so that's 40 equals 450. And that's 200 plus 0.05x equal 450. So 0.05x, subtract 200, that'll be 250. So x is 250 divided by 0.05, and I think that's going to be 5,000, but let's just double check. Divided by 0.05, and that means you add 2 zeros. So 5 will go on to 25. 5, yep, 5,000. So x is 5,000. So that's answer E.